everybody, it's Angela from SpinachTiger.com, cooking big, fat, healthy food. Today, I'm gonna cook for you one of my most popular posts of 2018. I call it Luscious Lemon Budino, and it's sugar-free, diabetic friendly, keto friendly, low carb friendly, and just downright friendly because it's so delicious. So I've made it 5 times and I'm saying to myself, I think I need to show you. So it's just a tad tricky, but super easy. First thing you do is you're gonna want 7 egg yolks plus 2 eggs. So this is a very high protein dessert. That's good news too. You can eat it for breakfast. I wanna show you how, or just talk to you a little bit about when you're separating an egg. These are so far all of my egg whites. When you separate the egg, use a separate bowl each time, and then you pour the egg white in and then start over, because you don't want to start into 7 egg yolks or 6 egg yolks and then you have ruined all the egg yolks. So always use that separate bowl. As always, that's at the SpinachTiger.com website. I always give you lots of tips on the blog. And you know, even when I do a video, so I recommend you go over there. So I didn't put all of the eggs in there. We need 2 eggs. That was one. I had 7 yolks and then 2 eggs. Don't write me about how I break my eggs. You break them your way, I'll break them my way, right? 1/2 cup of lemon juice. And then let's zest a lime, because zest is best. And I'm gonna just go ahead and zest just right into my yolks. You can zest it into wherever you want. I'm in a funny mood today. I just think you adding a little zest in with the lemon is gonna be pretty darn awesome. So we've got that. I'm gonna turn this on. Oh, let me tell you a little bit more about what we have. We only have 3 tablespoons of heavy cream to put in at the end. 4 tablespoons of grass-fed butter. Everybody knows by now I like to use grass-fed butter because it's the healthiest. You do need to have ready some kind of thermometer. I actually use my meat thermometer because we want to get to 170 degrees when we make this Budino, custard, pudding, whatever you want to call it. And then at the very end, after we take it out, we need to strain it, because sometimes little egg particles cook. So you always want to have a nice stainless, this is really important. I have a lot of stainless bowls, just to let you know. I always like to tell you what you really need, and so you don't waste your money. It's good to invest in some stainless bowls, a nice whisk, a zester, one of these, and a meat thermometer. These are good investments. These are things you'll use all the time. And then we use 1 cup of powdered erythritol. I'm using the Swerve brand today. This is how we arrive at the no sugar. I'm gonna turn this on. Makes a lot of noise, but it heats up super fast, and the overhead is gonna catch it. So we're gonna go ahead and whisk the eggs and egg yolk really good in there. So you're gonna see now we're making noise. Gonna go ahead, put the lemon juice right in, and does that smell great? We're gonna go ahead and put our 4 tablespoons of butter. Now we're gonna whisk and whisk, because we don't wanna make like scrambled eggs. So I'm gonna be whisking a lot. We're gonna put in the erythritol, and that's pretty much how this happens. And now we're gonna get this to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll do a little testing to see where we're at. We're nowhere right now. 79. So far so good. It hasn't gotten like eggy or weird. So I'm just gonna see where it's at. If you have a candy thermometer and like it sits in your pan, all the better. I just don't have one. So we're at 130 degrees. And make sure when you are putting this in, don't touch the bottom. Make sure you're just touching right in the middle, because then you're gonna get a false reading. So I like to give you as many tips as possible. We're there, because it's starting to boil. We're done. That's pretty much it. And then it goes immediately. Now you see how thick that is? Then we'll just use our beautiful wooden spoon and take it all the way in. Once we take it in, we'll add our cream. And that's Luscious Lemon Budino. Okay, so see, this is kind of what you don't want to get in your pudding, little particles of that texture. Okay, so I just love heavy cream, don't you? I just want to pour that in. Oh my gosh, now I feel like I have gone to heaven, lemon heaven. That's it, it's beautiful. I wish I had a little elf right behind me that could just clean up real quick. Don't you wish you had that? I wonder if saying elf is like politically incorrect nowadays. Yep, I'm in a silly mood, but I'm in a lemon Budino mood. Yeah, I wish I could get 8 out of this, but I only get 7. And I really have to lick the spoon. I can't help myself. It's like so rich and so creamy. That's it, folks. It's my lemon Budino. It's already on the blog. Thank you for coming to SpinachTiger.com. The ingredients will always be at the end, and the link to the blog post will always be in the comments, so you don't miss anything. Rate me with any questions that you have. SpinachTiger.com, cooking big, fat, healthy food. And don't forget to subscribe, because we really do appreciate that. Split screen. I gotta stop touching my hair. All right, so I'm gonna